One pepper from your fridge can give you 50 plants. Let me show you exactly how. Most people think winter means no gardening. They put their gloves away, close the shed, and wait for spring. Big mistake. Winter is actually one of the best times to start your pepper seedlings, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. What you need. All you need is one large sweet bell pepper. That's it. No special tools, no expensive equipment. Just a pepper you probably already have sitting in your fridge right now, red, yellow, orange, whatever color you like. Cut your pepper carefully and find the core, that center column packed with seeds. That's your gold. Don't break it apart. Pull the whole core out in one clean piece, then gently remove any excess flesh. You only want the seed head. Now press it gently into moist soil, just shallow enough to be barely covered. That's all. Here's the key most people miss. In winter, place your pot in a bright, sunny, well-ventilated spot indoors. In spring or summer, move it to partial shade under a tree. Direct sun will dry it out too fast. Week 1, seeds begin pushing through the soil. Week 2, small green shoots appear, looking good. Week 5, seedlings are strong enough to separate and transplant. Gently pull the seedlings apart with your hands, no tools needed. Then plant them either in rows in the ground, spacing each one about 4 to 6 inches apart, or give each seedling its own individual pot. From that one pepper core, you'll end up with around 50 healthy plants. 50. From one pepper. Start a new batch every 2 weeks for a continuous supply. Water only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Peppers hate soggy roots. Give them as much direct sunlight as possible. The more sun, the faster they grow and the better the harvest. Try this today and drop a comment below telling me how many seedlings you got. If this was helpful, hit subscribe.